What's up? This is Level 4 coming to you with another anime unboxing. And today I will be unboxing Blood Sea, the complete series. I don't know too much about the series, so without further ado, let's begin. Picked this up from Right Stuff for like $34.99. Right Stuff is having a sale for their, DVDs and manga. It was a three-way sale, and I picked that up. I picked something else up, which is in this box. So I'm gonna show y'all that, and I'm gonna talk a little bit more about more of the sale. The sale ends tomorrow, which is the second. So if you want to get some good prices on a lot of good things, then be sure to pick it up. I could say one thing that is on sale before I unbox this is Gurren Lagann, its TV series. This is an Aniplex film. It was $139, but with the sale, they changed it to $119. So like I said, this is a pretty expensive box set. So if you want to get this box, I recommend you do so now before it's too late. But yeah, Blood Sea limited edition box set. It's the back. Spine. Here's the back. Here's the top. Let's see. This Region A, of course. Blu-ray DVD combo pack. It got 12 episodes on 2 DVDs. 16 by 9. Alright, what is this? This is the DVD version. Here's the back. Right Stuff filmed me out. This one, DVD and disc 2, and got a little Word of Paint style artwork in the back. And the Blu-ray edition. So there's nothing special with the artwork on the CDs on this. So yeah. But yeah. Blood, complete series, DVD Blu-ray. If you don't have it, you should check it out. I'm definitely going to check it out. So, and also I'm going to buy it as sequel. I think it's the movie, but the Dark something. But I'm also going to check that out too. And next, one more thing, guys. One more thing. Also got this. Oh, see ads, stuff like that. Also got this Cyberteam and Akiabara, the complete series collection. This is an old series from what I can see, but it's the thin pack. It's a limited edition box set with over 650 minutes on 5 DVDs, so that's 26 episodes. So yeah, I'm new to the series too, so can't wait to check this out. Let me open this up. Glad to add more chipboard box sets adds to my collection. It's paper, and this box feels really solid. I like it. This is disc 1 and 2. Oh, disc 1. Yeah, this is really solid, guys. It's 1. Here, let me open it up too. Two. CD. 3. CD. 4. And here's 5. So yeah, I got more orders on the way. I ordered Good Luck Girl. I ordered, what's the name? Ikitosen, the bundle pack for the 3 CDs. They cost $20-something each, guys. Because of their sale, I only paid $14. It's not including shipping and handling, but yeah. $14, y'all. You can't beat that price. So yeah, this is Eagle Level 4. I will be having a review for this. I will be having a review for that. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, hit that like button. You can add your comments. I'm always open to y'all opinions. And yeah, y'all have a good day. Peace.